Hello everyone. Today we have the non-farm payroll data and we don't have any bias on the daily and on the weekly time frame or even on the H4 time frame because we don't have the ranges yet. It is because the market is on one side only and market don't have any QM on the opposite side. And even you see on the 15-minute time frame we have the high breakup structure, but we don't have the low yet because the QM is not taken out. And this is the non-form payroll data candle. So since we don't have any bias, so I was looking for the price go back to take this high at least, because this is the manipulation. So this is what I was looking for, but of course I was looking for on the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, this is where I moved on the 1 minute time frame, and I was still looking at the confirmation entry model where I can enter long trade. So I don't have any range, I mean the bullish range yet, and the price is going higher. Okay, so this is where I started to map the structure here. So now we have this QM, our low is confirmed, and I'm looking for the opposite range so we can buy. And this is where I got my first range, low, high, QM, and then we have the DOB and EOB at the same price, and don't below we don't have anything, so that's why I don't find any reason the price to take this low if the price wanna go higher. But I was still a little bit reluctant at this point because this is a huge down candle, or maybe this is just a pullback and market takes another low. So I was a little bit hesitant to take the position here. So I decided, even this was the position, but I still decided to wait a little bit to see what comes up. But I know that this is my draw on liquidity. So if I know where is my draw on liquidity, I still have a handsome room if the price wanna go there. So I'm not in so much hurry to enter here, but it has the setup, and this is the confirmation entry model. And I was just waiting, and we got another breakup structure, and we have the QM. Now we still have the room, and the market is still 13 minutes left to open. So I was just waiting. Okay, now we have the DOB and EOB. So I'm still looking for. Okay. Okay, so this is where I decided to enter at this EOB, but rather than to put my stop loss here, I decided to put my stop loss into this area, this one, because I want to cover this EOB as well. And what is my target? The minimum is this one, and this was the 6 hour trade. And even this was the draw on liquidity, but I aware the fact of this is the rejection block, so I need to be careful into this area that the price can reject from this area. Why? Because this lower this higher time frame rejection block is lower time frame order block basically. So that's why rather than I wait until here, if I can get my 6 hour, so I'm just out. So I will wait, and this is where I entered into the trade. and the market has opened into this candle, and the market has a lot of volatility, so it took only 1 2 3 4 5 or 6 minutes to reach to my target. So this is where I closed my position, but the market ultimately reached to the draw on liquidity. So this was a very simple trade. When you don't have any bias on the H4, H1 or even M15 time frame, because the market have no ranges, then if there is a news and you are expecting that the price will, like if this is a manipulation on one side, we are just expecting that the price will complete this range like this. After that, maybe the price takes this low or continue go lower, but we are just looking into this leg, that this leg we are expecting that the price to take this high at least, and then if it wanna go higher it can go, or otherwise if it wanna go lower it can. We Once we reach here, we have to analyze our whole market again on the 15-minute or even on the H1 time frame, and need to find some ranges and then need to play. But this is the entry without any range, just based on the news manipulation. Okay, thank you.